फ्री एजुकेशन के सामान्य ज्ञान प्रश्नोत्तरी के क्लास में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर करें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। 1. Which is the largest living bird on earth? A. Emu. B. Ostrich. C. Albatross. D. Siberian crane. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है B. Ostrich. 2. For how many years have the dinosaurs been extinct? A. About 25 million years. B. About 65 million years. C. About 100 million years. D. About 135 million years. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है B. About 65 million years. 3. Darwin finches refers to a group of A. Fishes. B. Lizards. C. Birds. D. Amphibians. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है C. Birds. 4. Which amongst the following is the largest mammal? A. Elephant. B. Whale. C. Dinosaur. D. Rhinoceros. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है B. Whale. 5. Which part becomes modified as the tusk of elephant? A. Canine. B. Premolar. C. Second incisor. D. Molar. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है C. Second incisor. 6. Which of the following are warm-blooded animals? A. Whales. B. Whale sharks. Circa alites. D. Draco. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है A. Whales. 7. Syrinx is the voice box in A. Amphibians. B. Reptiles. C. Birds. D. Mammals. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है C. Birds. 8. Which phenomenon do bats or dolphins use to find prey, predators or obstacles? A. Refraction of sound. B. Formation of beats. C. Scattering. D. Echolocation. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है D. Echolocation. 9. Which of the following is the smallest bird? A. Pigeon. B. Parrot. C. Hummingbird. D. House sparrow. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है B. Hummingbird. 11. Which of the following is the national aquatic animal of India? A. Saltwater crocodile. B. Sea turtle. C. Dugong. D. Dolphin. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है D. Dolphin. 12. Among the following animals, the figures of which are found in the national emblem of India? A. Bull, deer and eagle. B. Deer and elephant. C. Elephant, tiger and bull. D. Horse and bull. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है D. Horse and bull. 13. In which one of the following animals do distinct black stripes extend from the inner corners of the eyes to the mouth? A. Cheetah. B. Jaguar. C. Leopard. D. Panther. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है A. Cheetah. 15. Asiatic wild ass is naturally found in A. Run of Kutch. B. Baghelkhand. C. Sundarbans. D. Sivaliks. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है A. Run of Kutch. 16. Pashmina shawl is made from the hair of A. Sheep. B. Goat. C. Rabbit. D. Yak. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है B. Goat. 17. Which one among the following enzymes is unique in the alimentary canal of cattle? A. Cellulase. B. Amylase. Circapectinase. D. Dristylase. इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है A. Cellulase. 18. This animal fasts for about 8 months in a year and yet is active, gives birth and nurses its young while fasting. Name the animal. A. Polar bear, B. Frog, C. Reindeer, D. Lion। इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है A. Polar bear। 19. Which of the following birds is the state bird of 3 Indian states? A. Hill myna, B. Blue jay, Indian roller, C. Greater flamingo, D. Great hornbill। इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है B. Blue jay, Indian roller। 20. In which of the following species does the male have mammary glands to feed milk to its young? A. Sunder flying lemur, B. Blue whale, C. Polar bear, D. Dayak fruit bat। इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है D. Dayak fruit bat। 21. For which one of the following snakes is the diet mainly composed of other snakes? A. Cray, B. Russell's viper, C. Rattlesnake, D. King cobra। इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है D. King cobra। 22. What was the name of the first cloned sheep? A. Jolly, B. Dolly, C. Molly, D. Polly। इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है B. Dolly। 23. Which one among the following lays eggs and does not produce young ones directly? A. Echidna, B. Kangaroo, C. Porcupine, D. Whale। इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है A. Echidna। 24. The release of which one of the following into ponds and wells helps in controlling the mosquitoes? A. Crab, B. Dogfish, Circa gambusher fish, D. Snail। इस प्रश्न का उत्तर है Circa gambusher fish। 25. Which one among the following